Bloody typical, isn't it? Eh? Welcome back to our channel. I was messing about with the SD card. You remember when I told you in the first video we'd lost all the stuff? Oh, it was corrupted, I couldn't get it off. So I managed to find some software and I played around with it for a bit and I've managed to recover the videos. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them up in this one. I might time-lapse a couple of them because they're quite long, lengthy things. But yeah, chuffed to bits that I found them, but it's bloody typical, isn't it? You put a video up saying this, that and the other, and now eventually managed to get my hands on the videos. So yeah, we'll put them on this video. So right, so we're now in the back of the van, and I'm going to start dismantling some of these wood panels behind me. They need to be removed, obviously, for when we start fitting insulation. So I'm going to start by unscrewing a few of these and we'll see what's underneath it. Thumbs up. Well, as you can see, that took me about half an hour. So I've taken all the wood off the sides and off the back panel. There's the two wheel arch boxes. The rest of the wood's down here. And I've removed my back panels as well. So yeah, good start. No major problems up to now. So, I've removed all the plywood, I've taken all that out, and I'm just about to remove the last bolt in this first part of the floor, and then I can get the bulkhead out. It should be a lot easier to do that way. I think I might need to remove the bulkhead first before this comes up. It looks like it's fastened. It comes in two pieces. There's a big large piece for the full van, and then just this small bit. Sorry, for the rear of the van, and then just this small bit at the front near this step. But doesn't want to come up.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, hey! Hey, heck. I've been busy, haven't you?
Just going to remove this bulkhead now.
Alright.
There's not enough room to play with it, so I need to. I don't want to be overly brutal with it. I'll need it for a template.
Yeah.
Well, this is easier said than done. See quite a few channels removing this, but God, 2 or 3 of the bolts were really stuck in. And this is a relatively new van.
They're determined to make the best, don't they?
Well, the bulkhead's out. But I'm struggling with the floor at the moment because of that strip going across. I don't know what's holding the two pieces together. So I need to just find out how I can do this without damaging them, because I need to use them for templates later on. And there's always one of these, isn't there? But I'm all out apart from that one, which is rounded off. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but we'll tackle that one later. Had the windows delivered on Wednesday and bought them from Van Pimps. Brilliant turnaround, 2 days and they were here. And I must say, and I don't think I've heard a lot of people say this, that Van Pimps actually deliver the windows themselves. They don't use couriers, because a lot of people were getting broken windows, so they actually deliver them themselves. So I'd like to thank Darren for driving all the way up from Leicestershire to our place on, I think it was Tuesday they came, or Wednesday. Yeah, drove up all the way from Leicestershire and delivered them himself. So thank you, Darren. Brilliant. Thumbs up, mate. Thanks for making a mess of me, then.
That second one.
Why are you dressed up like a cleaner?
Because I'm a glam cleaner. That's what he did. Well, today we're having a dirty day, love. And you know why? It's because we're cleaning the van. Prior to the floor going down.
Well, yeah, I've got a helper today, which is unusual. Usually on my own.
Yeah, it's my day off from work today, so I thought I'll make the most of it whilst I can.
Right, little helper starting with a brush. I've actually pulled the floor up, as you already noticed, but I think we're going to reuse the floor because it's in really good condition. I don't see the point in purchasing extra wood to put a new floor down when this one's in good condition. So yeah, I see it is in really good condition.
It's immaculate, isn't it, really?
So we're going to use the floor, and I was watching Freedom Strider's channel, and they actually weighed the floor. They weighed the floorboards, and there was no difference between that and getting some new flies put down. So weight-wise, it isn't going to make any difference. And with it being in good condition, we might as well do it. So yeah, that'll save a few pounds.
Well,
You found any gold?
no, not yet. No, I found a 10p piece and a penny. Yeah, that's all I'm worth nowadays, is 11p British sterling. That's what I like to see a man on his knees. So we're just prepping everything prior to the floor.
So this was the first full van cleaning day. A lot of work went into this day, and I think we were at it from 8:30 in the morning till probably 6 o'clock in the evening. it was a full day of cleaning, sweeping, scraping, brushing. You can see that we'd managed to lift the floor, and our intention to use that because it's in very, very good condition, and if you're aware of what the floor is like in a Sprinter or a Crafter, the underside of that board is like a really shiny material. So our idea is to flip it over and use that side, and I think it's probably a waterproofing thing. I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you, but yeah, it looked in good condition, and you know, it seems stupid to throw it away and use it as a template. So we thought, no, we'll actually use this. So like I say, it was a full day of cleaning. Wasn't particularly filthy. Obviously there's dirt and grime that gets underneath that board over the years, but the van's only 4 years old, so it wasn't in that bad a condition, to be perfectly honest with you. We just needed to get all this floor prepped and ready for the next day, because I was going to start putting the hammerite onto the rust. Yeah, it was a good day. We had a good laugh together. It was nice having Barbara around, and otherwise it would have taken me twice as long. I probably would have been doing it for the next day. But yeah, we managed to get it all clean. As you can see here, I removed the black plastic trim from underneath the back doors. This is a heavily used area of the van, and it was quite mucky underneath there, and one or two bigger rust spots than elsewhere. So if you are going to do this, remember to remove this and have a good look underneath, because it can get quite filthy under there, to be honest. Molly Maid's back. But what we got? Knee protection, because it hurts your knees when you're kneeling on there. But I'm not doing any kneeling anyway. So you've got one for each knee, love.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind and so thoughtful.
Left and right.
Yeah, things he does to keep me on my knees. As if I'm not already on my knees enough as it is.
Why have you got a plastic apron on?
To protect my clothes.
You can also see here that we removed the side step. This is very important, and I think a lot of people tend to overlook this. When we lifted the side step up, it was full of water and crap and all sorts of things. There are 2 drain holes in there, but they were just blocked up. It's important that you just get all this clean, get it dried, everything, get it all rust proof, treated. You can see me there, just yeah, lifting it up. We did all sorts here. I re-greased everything. It was completely dry. I made sure that the drain holes were just a little bit bigger, than rust treated everything and put it all back together. It is an important part. Like I said, some people do tend to overlook this, and I would suggest that this is probably one of the most important parts, because your door is sliding backwards and forwards along this. So yeah, make sure that you do it properly, take your time with it, there's no rush, and get it right before you start building inside your van. So I've just been and bought some of this rust, because there is more rust than what I originally thought, so I just want to make sure that I get this stuff. This is one of the really good things on the market. It actually changes the composition of rust, the oxide in the rust, and changes it to a harmless non-rust oxidey thing, I think, before you put hammerite on. So I'm going to try it anyway. Right, so that's all the Kuros done. I'm going to leave that until tomorrow now. It's very strange how it changes the colour of the rust to a bluey colour. Very strange product. Yeah, very different. So I should be able to hammerite that tomorrow. And so I've decided to start putting some of this dodo mat on. I'll just do this for the next hour or so, and then yeah, just gets another job out of the way. So yeah, we're cracking on. I'm going to put some small pieces like that on the roof, but I'll be cutting a hole in there, so I don't need any on there, and there will be a roof vent going in there, which will probably be a max air. They are the best. I have looked at other ones, but I think the UK is out of them at the moment. I think everybody's van building. Obviously none of them going on there because I've got another window to go in there, which is happening at weekend. So yeah, just going to crack on with the dodo mat. Good stuff this. Just butyl tape foil backed, that's all. But does the job. And we need to keep the sound down when we're driving. I think on the wheel arches I'm even going to coat them completely with no, that's the product I've used, the Devon. But yeah, it's good stuff. Well impressed. Easy to apply. Seen people put these on with rollers, but I just put that on with my hands and run my knuckles over it. You don't need a roller to put that on. Right, okay, so I'll leave you for now and I'll come back to you in a bit. So there's the missing videos. Should have gone up first, but like I said, it took me a while to recover these, so at least we've managed to find them. Like I said, there was a lot of time lapse in there.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
And Alexa's getting involved as well now, so what she knows about camper vans I don't know. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up and a like and a share if possible. There will be a lot more videos to come, and hopefully there will be in the right order. So yeah, look forward to seeing you guys again. Thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.